One of the things we love doing here in the Test Kitchen is answering the questions you post on Facebook and on our website. You know, one that's been popping up over and over again is, can you help me figure out the difference between all the melons there are at the market? You know, this time of year, there's a bunch of them, so let me show you a few. Let's start with one of the most popular ones, the cantaloupe. It's easily recognized by its veiny, rough skin and its bright orange flesh. You can tell it's ripe when the stem end has a little give to it and it smells fragrant. Over here, we have honeydew. It's usually a bit larger than cantaloupe and its skin is pale green and very smooth. But when you cut into it, you'll find the flesh is light green and it's super juicy. This bright yellow melon is known as a canary melon. The flesh is succulent and it tastes similar to a really juicy pear. All this talk of melons reminds me of one of our best fruit salads. What makes it so good, besides all the fresh fruit, is the homemade orange honey ginger syrup that makes each bite burst with flavor. Maybe top it off with a few berries, some fresh mint, and a bit of granola. To get this simple yet very fancy tasty recipe, simply visit our website and look for what we call Country Fruit Stand Salad. Talk about refreshing. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a fun and fruity way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.